day with me at the Park Court student accommodation. Park Court is on the doorstep of the city centre. I often come here to do my shopping or go to Waterstones. Today I needed to get some groceries, so I headed on to M&S. I don't need to walk far with my heavy bags of shopping as it is super close to the accommodation. I decided to take the scenic route home today through the university campus and along the Brayford. The Brayford is 3 minutes from the accommodation and is home to the Odeon as well as plenty of restaurants. Today it was nice and sunny, which put me in a good mood as I came home to Park Court. When I got home, I did some admin work on my computer. I thought I'd give you a room tour, so here's my bathroom. You can see me in the mirror there. Hello! There's my shower. There's also plenty of shelving where I've put all my books. And here's my bed, which has been taken over by all my plushies, of course. Park Court also has an amazing common room which anyone can use. This is where you can find the vending machine, which has plenty of drinks, chocolates and snacks. There is also a gaming corner with a console and board games that you can use with your friends. Here's me trying to play ping pong. And next on the list of things to do is I needed to do my laundry. The laundry room is next to the common room and they use circuit laundry. And that's the end of the day at Park Court.